Jonathan Swift. As a misanthropist, Jonathan Swift, the renowned author of Gulliver's Travels, is often regarded as a misanthrope due to his scathing critiques of human nature. Misanthropy, a term derived from the Greek words miso, hatred, and anthropos, human, refers to a strong dislike or hatred for humanity. Swift's satire in Gulliver's Travels reflects his misanthropic views. He writes, "I have ever hated all nations, professions, and communities, and all my love is towards individuals." Letter to Alexander Pope. This statement highlights Swift's disdain for collective humanity, while acknowledging his affection for specific individuals. In Gulliver's Travels, Swift employs satire to expose humanity's flaws. The Lilliputians' petty politics, the Laputians' intellectual hubris, and the Houyhnhnms' brutal rationality serve as examples of human folly. Swift's misanthropy is evident in his depiction of these societies. In Book 1, Chapter 4, Swift writes, "The Lilliputians, though small in size, are great in folly." This statement exemplifies his misanthropic view of humanity's tendency to inflate minor issues. Swift's critique of human nature extends to politics and governance. In Book 2, Chapter 6, he notes, "The bulk of mankind is as well qualified for flying as for governing." This remark reflects his skepticism towards humanity's ability to self-govern. Moreover, Swift's misanthropy is tempered by his affection for individual virtue. In Book 3, Chapter 5, he writes, "Virtue and wisdom are the greatest ornaments of human nature." This statement highlights his appreciation for exceptional individuals. Gulliver's Travels can be seen as Swift's misanthropic manifesto. Through satire, he challenges readers to confront humanity's flaws and strive for self-awareness. In conclusion, Gulliver's Travels remains a poignant reminder of humanity's flaws. Swift's satire invites us to laugh at ourselves and improve. By acknowledging our absurdity, we can strive for self-awareness and individuality. Ultimately, Swift's message is timeless. Humanity's flaws are universal and persistent. As Swift wrote, "Men are governed by their passions, not reason." By recognizing this, we can cultivate empathy and compassion in our relationship misanthropy.